Your attack surface is growing by the minute. You know it, we know it, but most crucially, malicious hackers know it. It's time to start monitoring, securing, and staying in control of your growing attack surface. Picture yourself mapping out your company's entire external attack surface and seeing the same attack vectors that a hacker could see. With Detectify, you can get visibility over your attack surface in just a few clicks. It's easy to get started. Add a domain, verify it, and start monitoring what you have exposed to the internet, including both known and unknown assets. It's that simple. Surface monitoring will map out your growing attack surface and start vulnerability testing to find exploitable anomalies across your surface. We'll go beyond OWASP Top 10 and look for unknown assets like subdomains to prevent subdomain takeovers, alongside third-party software risks. We use knowledge from our world-leading ethical hacker community, Crowdsource, to cover you across your entire tech stack. Get complete coverage by digging deeper into your valued assets with application scanning. Using real hacker payloads submitted by Crowdsource for broader coverage, you can go beyond your compliance checklist with Detectify. Attack surface monitoring is more than just discovering what internet-facing assets you have. Understand how to prioritize your vulnerabilities and how to fix them with extensive remediation tips. Easily access information about vulnerabilities in your tech stack and make more informed decisions to use your security resources better. Hacking yourself is the only way to protect your external attack surface. Detectify, an ethical hacker-powered EASM solution. Go hack yourself.